Thunder. Hey guys, welcome back. I got another kind of a quick video today. It's raining here in Florida like it does pretty much every day in the summer. So I figured it'd be a good opportunity to show you kind of two tweaks I made to fix some really annoying things about the Mercedes. The first one is when you start the car, there's a really annoying beep. And you got this really annoying beep. And I guess they made that annoying beep just to remind you to wear your seatbelt, but I don't need to be reminded. I wear my seatbelt every single time. And so it's like, I don't need a beep to tell me that, just like I don't need a beep to let me know to go eat. You know what I mean? And so I'm gonna use Xentry to fix that. The second thing that I find is actually kind of odd is you can read text messages on your nav screen. But the way they have it set up is it'll let you see like that you have 10 text messages, and it'll let you read like 100 words of those 10 text messages until you click on them. Once you click on them, you can't read any of them. So I always thought it was kind of odd that it was okay to read, you know, the first 7 words of all your text messages, but when you actually click on it, you can't read, you know, 18 words in a text message. So I'm going to use Vediamo to enable the passenger to read text messages when it's safe. So let's go ahead and plug this in and get started. So we're on Xentry, and you want to go to Information and Communication, and then Instrument Cluster. We're going to connect to that module. Okay, and then we're going to go up to Author Data. And if you go to All Coding in the German, it's going to load all the coding. We're going to scroll down here to 102 is belt warning type. We're going to change that to Kein Warnung, which is no warning. So that would change that. Apply. Yes. And that's it. We're done. Alright, so now we're back in the car. Let's see what it sounds like now. No beeping. Cool. So we've started up Vediamo. I'm gonna go to Input. I'm gonna let it load for a second. Alright, so we're going to go down to HU45, which is my head unit. Click OK. It's loaded. I'm going to make sure we can get into it. We're in. Coding. Alright. On the top, I'm going to go down to Driver Distraction. Read SMS. So now the passenger has the ability to go down here to text messages, and then not only just see them, you can actually read them. Alright, so nav map, and go to enable, code it. That changes it from a 0. Alright, yeah, that was kind of stupid.